Welcome to Booqable. In this video, you will learn how to effortlessly manage your customers with Booqable. When creating a new order, you can easily add a new customer. All you need is their name and email address to get started, but you can also include optional details like a phone number, address, or custom pricing settings. When a customer places an order through your online checkout or on the back end, Booqable automatically creates their customer profile for you, stored here on the Booqable Customers page. This gives you quick access to every contact your business interacts with. Inside a profile, you'll find all the essential details from their contact information, their addresses, which you can add an additional one, and also the option to make them exempt from paying your default security deposit settings. You can also add a recurring discount, assign a customer tax profile, and you can see their full order and transaction history. Booqable also makes it easy to stay organized with searchable tags. You can add a tag to this customer, such as loyalty customer, to group and find customers quickly on the customers page. You can filter customers using the sidebar, for example by tag or by customer tax profile. Within a profile, the right-hand sidebar lets you enhance your customer relationships even further. Here you can create a unique barcode to print and use for the customer's loyalty card for them to present each time they come into your store. Or you also have the option to invite your customer to create a login to your online checkout. Simply complete their full name and email address to send this email an email invitation for them to create a login username and password to your online checkout. On your rental website, once your customers proceed into their shopping cart and then into the online checkout, they will have the option to log into your store, and you can also make this mandatory. Once they're on your online checkout, all their information is saved from the previous order, preventing them to having to waste time to fill out all the information again. This creates a smooth, professional experience for your customers. And you're all set. You've now learned how to effortlessly manage customers with Booqable.